Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense right here on the YouTube channel, English Makes No Sense. My name is SL Rockfish, and today we're going to do another day of phrasal verbs with the word get in them. You know get, G-E-T, get. You hear it all the time when people are speaking English. But today's phrasal verb is going to be get to. To is another word we hear a lot. To has many meanings, but get to, when put together, has 4 different meanings. Yes, 2 small words, 4 different meanings. How can that be, English? I don't know. Come on, let's try and figure this out. Get to reach or to arrive at. For example, get to the point. Or I have to get to work. I have to reach work. I've got to get there. Got it? Now, get to have an opportunity to. I get to go on vacation. Well, I really don't. But to have an opportunity to. I get to explain get to you. I have an opportunity to do that. Got it. Get to upset or bother. Don't let him get to you. Don't let him bother you. Let's see. Nails on a chalkboard really gets to me. Oh, another get to. It really bothers me. Then we have get to track down and threaten. Ooh, that sounds dark. Let me try that. I think he's trying to get to the witness in the trial. He's trying to find him and threaten him. Oh, that's a bad get to. Yeah, don't get to people like that. Which could also be don't bother them. So, let's review. Get to reach or arrive at. Get to have an opportunity to. Get to upset or bother. And get to track down and threaten. Yikes, that's a lot of different meanings. Now, I have the opportunity to read you these sentences and hope that you can read and understand them. Are you ready? When we get to the mall, we will get to buy lots of things. Don't let it get to you if you can't find everything you want. What? Let me go slower. And want isn't down here. Here we go. When we get to the mall, we will get to buy lots of things. Don't let it get to you if you can't find everything. What? Come on, English. I hope that this lesson worked and you have 4 different meanings for get to. Practice it. Use it. Leave me a sentence in the comments, okay? Peace, friends.